whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hooker force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā kona whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira whakarongo pi kari mai. Hare mai, o tā ringa hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Ngai taringa o uta o tai o tata o ko kei.
Ko kei.
Ana, ho mai o koutou taringa kia are mai. Anei, ki te punua pāho o taringa e whakapāho atu ana i te pokapū o taringa i te bustling metropolis of Tawamutu. That sounded like a Chewbacca patero.
Yeah.
Nau mai hoki mai koutou, e hoa mā tēnā tātou. O tira, e rere ana ngā mihi ki ngā manuhiri o te rā. Tēnā rawa atu kōrua nau mai.
Hola! Mōrena.
Tēnā koutou. He roko ngā nohonga tēnei. This is the first type of sitting tēnei.
Oh, was that one of your ones after our session you came up with about how we can say things more Māori?
Yeah.
Ah.
Whatever we're saying, but we've got 2 manuhiri online from different locations.
And
Oh,
how
we've
to-
got Kaiurangi
And we've got Kahurangi.
So we can know.
at a different location
Aye.
online.
Coming in from Te Rotorua nui a kahu,
Kia
te
ora.
moana te iwi, tihe mauri ora. Yes, I was not plugging for Rangiwewe, hi hoi anō, kia ora Kahurangi.
Tēnā koe, tēnā tātou.
Nō reira, tuiri hana nau mai.
Haere mai.
Haere mai.
Tēnā koutou.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā kōrua. Tēnā koutou
Tēnā tātou, tēnā tātou.
me o kōrua maunga, me o kōrua awa, e mihi ake ana, a waimare ana, a taringa, a waihoki, ko mātou ko taringa o tira ngai taringa, whakai i tautoko kōrua i te reo pōwhiri o taringa. Nō reira, haere mai.
Haere mai. Nau mai.
Yes, I'm pū ngana.
How dare I?
Rika.
Rika. Kaika.
Hihiri.
Excited.
Yeah!
there you go.
Hia mō. Hia mō, not hia moe.
Nā hia moe.
Yeah.
Hia mō.
Hia
Hia
mō.
mō.
Hia mō.
Ngangahau.
Ngangahu.
Ngangahu.
O nā ia ngangahu?
Ngangahu.
Yeah.
Kia ora, Erica.
I've been reading Kāwai and
Ooh.
yeah, I saw that word used in there for bursting with life.
Kia ora.
Tēnā
Kia ora.
koe.
Yeah, and we got to get him on too. He's been like, I will get you.
That book is so
Tai
good.
hoa.
No matter where you are, I will find you.
I will find you.
Anyway,
Anyway, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
so what happens when you get up at 5 o'clock and go out and karakia on the frosty ground?
On the frosty grass. Oh, you were 5. I did a 6.
Anyway, e kōrua. Ka tukua te wā kia kōrua, a kia mōhio rā te iwi, nōwhea, kōrua, e tahi kōrero mō kōrua.
Ka pai, o tēnā tātou, o tira e mihi ana ki te toru te kaumā, toru rau mārua o tēnei o ngā hōtaka
Kia ora.
o taringa. Kia koutou ngā ringa, ngā waiwai, ngā pūkōrero. E kawe nei tēnei kaupapa. Te reo Māori, kia tai ki ngā taringa o te motu. No re mihi kau atu ana ki a tātou. Ko Hana Mirirai Skerrit White tōku ingoa. I te takutaha Skerrit no Ngaitahu. Kāti Māmoe Waitaha. No ngā mautere titi, no tauki hepa. Taku paua tērā i mārena ki taku kuia, no roto mai o ngā hapu o Ngāti Pukiao, ko te rangi nōra, tērā. Kei taurua pā, taku whare, taku pā harakeke, kei te tahataha o taku moana o te roto iti, kai raro i te tāwharautanga o taku maunga, matawhaura. E mihi kau atu ana, i tipu ake au taku taha Waikato. Taku taha Maniapoto.
Nā whai anō.
Ngāti māhu tāno hoki, no reira mihi atu ana. Ki taku kingi, tūheitia, katahi anō ka whakanui i te kaupapa te koronei hana.
Kia ora.
Me ngā huhua kaupapa kua puta i tērā o te whakakotahitanga o ngā iwi, i raro i te mana motuhake, i runga i te mana motuhake me ki.
Kia ora.
Oe anō, koe tēnei, kei tāmaki au e noho ana, koe te tai o ngā ringa hāpai, mō tuiri, mō tēnei kaupapa o Disney Reo Māori. No reira, Ka tuku te rākau kōrua ki a koe kei taku taukana.
Morena tātou.
Morena.
Pai tēnei, tūri wati te ahau. No ngā hapu maha o te whānau apune o te tai rāwhiti. Ka tahi anō ka rapu, ka rapa hoki i aku hononga ki roto ronga whakaata, kei reira taku kraua e takuto ana. Mate mai taku pāpā i ahau e pepi ana, no reira ka reo i tino roku ki te rātaha. Ka tahi anō ka piri ki te rātaha oku.
Kia ora.
No reira, he uri tēnei, no te whānau apune, no rongo whakaata. He maha oku waka oku hapu. Engari ko te mea e tipu mai au ki roto tētahi wāhi paku nei, blink and you miss it, tau pōkore.
Kia ora.
Hard to miss, hard to
Ki
miss.
te koe, te tiha te Erika whanako he tau te tiha te rā. Nō rea, morena tātou ko au te ringa tohu me ki te kōnui o tēnei kaupapa toi harenga. Ko te kōnui, kau, anei te kōnui.
Ai.
Ka pai, ka rei te pai rānei. Engari, tētahi atu pōtai he kōroa, he toi i te iwi nei, te honga.
Mahi tika.
Koera taku mahi, he nui o ka pōtai. Engari, mo tēnei mea Disney Reo Māori, he tono mo te kaupapa. Kia ora tātou.
Tēnā rawa atu
Kia ora,
kōrua.
Whananga.
Ai.
Koutou, ngā iwi.
Ana, ngā mau, ngā
Ngā
matawhaura,
mau. Ai.
kakepuku, taupiri, whanakau, rau kūmara, te hoia taikehu e mihi ake ana. Tēnā rawa atu kōrua. Yes, and you know, i a koe kōrana mo te kimi o tātai, te tuihine tuiri. For a long while I've been finding kei whea aku tātai ki a te whāna apanui. Yes.
Have you found it?
No. Kei reira e tai hononga, ze nui nā hononga o tainui ki te whāna apanui. Engari, ka reo ki te e tai hekenga.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in my search, I found some other connections that I do not wish to divulge at this time.
Nā reira.
But I reckon e tai o
I
koutou.
reckon koina, e
You know,
whakapai noa nei tēnei
as soon, you know, e mihi ana ki ngā whakaihu aka o te wā, o te matutinu,
Kia ora.
ki te whāna apanui. And I know there's lots of you, koutou, Māori mā, te ati kei looking for your connections to te whāna apanui. Yeah, and that's positive.
Well, you know, I'm a tāwhai, ka muri reira.
Me too.
Oh, there's your whanaunga right next to you.
Yeah, well, you fellas are from Waima, hoino.
Yes. I know, there's actually a big...
Waima ki hokianga.
Koinei te
Ka
wā
waki tonga maru.
Ka rongo e tahi iwa, ana ka mohio ki ngā tātai ki ngā whānei. Yeah.
Yeah, and the Waingas are from up north as well.
Hei, kia waiho tērā kōrero ake.
Okay, well,
Rawa no e tahi mohana. No.
ke oki mai ki waenga nui.
Ai,
i
ki
tātou
wanga nui
kaupapa.
kōrero nei. Ai.
E nō reira, e te iwi he kupu tēnei.
Okay.
Engari, ko te kaupapa o tēnei kupu ko te Disney Reo Māori.
Kia ora.
Taiho ake ka huri ki te whakarongo, ki etahi o ngā kōrero a te tokorua nei, e pāna ki enei mahi. We're going to stick to our schedule.
All right.
Ai. Kia au ki te kawa o taringa.
Ia, ara, te kawa, tika
Te
tā,
kawa,
te kawa o
ai.
taringa. Ana, kia aro ake ki te kiwa o te wiki. And I was thinking,
These movies
we
are
were-
stacked with kiwa.
Yes.
Stacked.
Yeah, and you know, ka whiua kia kōrua, tētai kiwaha that just sort of pop up. Yeah, that came out of Disney Reo Māori.
Well, we have to rely heavily on
Kia
kiwa
ora.
because we can't change the image, right? So we have to, the process is quite long and quite big, ne? So, you know, you translate it and then, of course, you know, your master translator, Praone, and the reo comes back 3 times the length. Then you have to edit it down to duration and then edit it to sync. And then, you know, we rely heavily to try and make our reo fit those lips.
Yeah.
Eventually we'll get to a space where we can make things from scratch, but right now it costs about 280 million to make one from scratch. And our industry put together just doesn't have that money. And so for now, this is the easiest and the most attractive way to get our reo next to something as big as Disney. But we'll get there, and so the aim is to get our people to come along on the journey. So kia kitea ngā katu, kia kite ngā wāwai. You've got to go over there and see those massive machines at work. And there's about 800 people just sketching. You know, that's not even sound, that's not even animation, that's just the sketching of it. And so we don't even have that amount of people in our industry
Kia ora.
combined. So for now, this is an attractive way for us to sort of enter that world.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
Anyway, I went on the bloody
Oh.
merry-go-round.
Ko poke a.
Just to, and we haven't even got to a kiwaha yet. We haven't even got to a kiwaha.
Well, you
But
dropped
we
that
have to
hiccup,
rely, yeah. Well, we're 4 deep in now, so
Aye.
we've got 4
Well, yeah.
feature films. And I'm not too sure if there's anyone pumping out 2 a year. So
Kia ora.
it's a massive mahi. It's a massive mahi. And, you know, I rely on people like Hana Mere Raiha, Pānia Papa. You know, that selection process, you know, goes, we have to match everyone. We have to match our cast to the story. We have to match our translators to the story. We have to match meta as well. Otherwise, it's kind of like you want to have all the elements in place so that you're not thrown out of the story. At the end of the day,
Kia ora.
te reo is not king, music is not king, casting is not king, story is king. So we have to make all those things. Well, story looks after all those elements, you know, and so underneath story, all of those things, those elements are equal.
Kia ora. Ah, tāhua.
So yes, back to Kiwaha. Over to you, Hana.
Ia o koira.
Pai tō,
Oh,
yeah.
I'm just warming up, I'm just warming up.
Pai tō hoko wā. Ia hana e rapu ana I tētahi kiwa.
Oh, well, Hana's bloody me took up half the time.
Ona iwi,
missed
ona
out one
kāwai.
of- and I missed out one of my moments. Whoops, my bad. My gosh.
I forgot to say.
Oh, God.
You know,
Oi anō.
I'm sitting over here fangirling and I forgot to say I'm a big fan of Taringa. When it
Oh,
first came
kia
out,
ora.
Yeah.
that was my thing. Oh, beauty. And, you know, it's not dissimilar to Disney Reo Māori. It's accessible. You can listen to it at the comforts of your own whare. You can learn reo at your pace. So, mihi ana kia koutou.
E nā koe.
So there's like it's not a set recipe, but ko tēnei tētahi o ngā hātepe ka whaia e mātou. Mo te tā ki te whakamaori I ngā waiata.
Kia ora.
Ko te tiro, tā te Māori te tiro, ki tōna ao koira tētahi o ngā tino aronga. Ne, kia Māori te whakaaro te wairua. Kia Māori hoki te rere o ngā kupu I roto I te manawataki. No reira, ko te manawataki, ko te kau te haere I ngā kū, e pai ai tō mōhio, anei ngā kupu e tika ana, e whai ana I te manawataki o te rangi o ngā kupu ake. Ne? And one of the interesting things actually, so for our listeners out there, so talking about fitting our language or our kupu in with the original cadence.
Kia ora.
There's a musicality to our words. There's a musicality. There's a beautiful flow, you know, and that was one of the beauties actually of working with Spanish and Te Reo Māori was because phonetically the languages are so connected. They sound similar because we've got the open vowels, a, e, I, o, u sounds. We don't end on consonants like in English. But one of the interesting things was that the original songs were actually written in English and then they imported the Spanish.
Ah.
Yeah, so I te whai haere I te whakatautoranga Pākehā. So what we had to do was try and weed out as much of that as possible e noho mai ai ko te reo Māori me te reo Pāniora e noho mā tāmua mai ai ko e rā reo e rua.
Marama.
So that really takes a meta-linguistic awareness. And I spent that time in Spain and ko tērā te tahiwaku reo, taku reo tuatoru. So really attuned to, I guess, those skills of being able to think laterally within a scope of 3 languages, actually. And there were actually 3 languages
Mai
I
te wai.
whaiwahi mai ki a koko reo Māori. And you might want to speak to that, Tweety. Like, you know, our kiwaha reo Pākehā that are
Hana,
actually
talk
very
about-
Māori.
We're getting there, te whānau.
We're getting there, it's funny. But I want to quickly ask, were there any kiwaha pāniora that you saw would align to kiwaha Māori?
Yeah.
Were there, kia timata pia ki te kitahi kiwaha pāniora?
Wetai kupu ki taku moho ai, ko te kie ai.
Ki
There were quite a few. There's like, Oye was one. Ai madre mia.
Madre.
Ai we taukiri e. Yeah, madre mia. Santa Maria. Era momo kiwaha, he kiwaha.
Oh, Madon.
Matong.
Yeah. E pupuake ai ko te hi momo ihi wehi wana I roto I te tangata. E whakapuaki wana kare aroto. He nui e rā momo kiwaha. No reira, ai, I kapohia ke ko ngā Mai te wehi, e ra momo ki waha katoa.
I think there's some similarities with the Spanish reo and the Ngāti Porou mita. They got like the ese and the aise, you know, like piritia aise, you know, things like that. You still hear those queers saying those sort of kororo now. And I'm pretty sure that tipuna, Jose Manuel, he might have had a big influence on the mito o Ngāti Porou. Same with how they work, you know, most iwi say hoti ki aia, Ngāti Porou, hoti ki e.
Kia.
And there's a real similarity in the word kia lei, hana roto i te reo pāniora.
Yeah, it's the same word and the same momo intonation too. So they say, hoti ki e. And in Spanish it's ella.
Eia.
That actual kupu was exactly the same. And there were lots of little similarities like that, where the word was exactly the same and had the same meaning. So yeah, ella was one.
Oi.
Ora.
No.
Her.
Her.
Yeah.
Just
yeah,
her,
yeah.
not his.
Her. Yeah. El is his. But yeah, kiel. Hoti kiel or hoti kie. But yeah, the ella.
And then you can hear those Ngāti saying hoti ki and stuff. So, but that was cool, like all the different mita, but like the mita of Ngāti Porou, it's quite strong today. It's not a mita that's at risk, but it was cool because you actually have tamariki that'll never pass the Harbour Bridge or that'll never pass the Bombays, but I actually whakapapa te Ngāti Porou. So like taringa, we're serving a wide range of people, you know, so that kind of reo you won't hear up here in Tāmaki. Well, we've sort of fallen into the sort of trap of having a homogenised reo, you know, kia kotahi te reo, but there's programs that are fixing all that, like, you know, we've got Te Ahu o Te Reo doing all they can to upgrade all our teachers so that all these mixed vegetables in Tāmaki here have access to a different mita. And, you know, same with like Lion King, there's 5 different mita in that film.
Yeah.
And that was something that we actually was intentional
Yeah.
Yeah.
because of that. And also everyone to have a play with that. We also, you know, there's so many different faces of te reo.
Yeah.
And, you know, so we wanted to make sure that that was shown in Lion King. But also, like with Moana, all the films have a different kaupapa.
Yeah.
Moana is just to prove to ourselves that we could do it.
Ana.
We did that on, you know, packet of biscuits, packet of Tim Tams, and, you know, petrol vouchers. That's what we did Moana with.
Oh, you're on the super wines.
Yeah.
We've moved up to shortbread. You
know, i a koe korana mo te Lion King, so ko tētai o nā tino kianga ki au o tērā kiriata, was tērā whakawhitiwhiti kōrero i Wainganui a Simbarao ko Zazu.
Ai.
And then Zazu goes, pai marire.
Simba. Pai marire.
Everybody just cracked up.
Just cracked up,
You
yeah.
know? It was cracked up.
But that's, koina te painga kia hau nei, you know, ta taku tirohanga tuatahi ki ngā kiriata katoa, he tirohanga Māori. You know, Frozen, makariri ana, you know, ti koe nā te whenua e te puaheiri, ngai tahu. You know, ka reira o tō tirohanga, pēnei a koko, Manuel, Ngāti Porou, and ko te kingitanga i roto i te kingi
Lion
Lion.
King,
Yeah.
Zazu, you know, kai hāpai o te kaupapa, ana taranaki, pai marere. Hea tāhua, he tirohanga Māori.
Yeah.
You know, that's the part. Atu, you know, haunga te reo, and he māmak mo te tangata ki te ki aia, kia whakamaori noa nei te reo. Engari, i whakamaori hoki te tirohanga. Tēnā te paina kia hei.
Me Māori te aoe o te tirohanga Māori, because it's like there was this part in there and he's talking about that little furball, you know, and he goes, I would have been king if that little furball wasn't born. And then he goes, that furball was my son. Hey, whakaro Pākehā tira, if you look at the Māori one, it says tō tāua tama. Tā tāua tama. And then you see that's the whakaro Māori in that one. And it's throughout the whole thing because, you know, all the processes you go through, you kind of just translate for what it is.
Yeah.
And then you sort of, once it's laid down, it's recorded, and then you have another session where you edit for performance and you edit the reo, because now that you've gotten rid of the English influence, then you can say, oh, that's not a Māori way of saying that.
Yeah, you're going through the layers of translating, the layers, you know, pai, a tāhua.
I gotta say, when I was watching Lion King Reo Māori and hearing all the kiwaha used, I was so grateful that I am on taringa and I could understand what was going on. I was like,
Yeah.
I get it.
But, you know, once again, and I think this is turning out to be a kiwaha-esque type of kōrero, how important a kiwaha is in any reo, because it encapsulates a whakaaro and a thought process for you to get
Yes.
it quick as.
While we're talking about the importance of kiwaha, what actually is our kiwaha? It's usually not me at te whānau that's, you know, ko hauke te mea are ki wiwi ki wawa. I roto tonu I te kaupapa. Because I know our fantastic sound man, hey, Joe is listening and he's going to be doing up our spreadsheet. He's going to say to me later, so, bro, what was the kiwaha?
And it's just for our listeners too who are avid learners, you know, they need something to hold on to.
Hold on.
Yeah, so tētahi kiwaha.
Well, my favourite kiwaha actually in koko was actually e koe.
E koe.
E koe.
E koe. And what I loved was actually that I whai wahi mai te reo ki ngā visuals. That was
Yes, that was
so
amazing.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Tētahi.
Kairana kia kita I te...
So if it's a static image,
Aye.
we can have it changed, but anything that moves, we cut.
Oh,
so
yeah.
signage, and then if you, like Pixar, they actually have a team, international language team that changes signs, but, well, we couldn't afford to translate everything because it was going to cost us more than making the film. So just for the signage was going to cost about 180K. And so that's, you know, that's just about more than our treaty deed. Settlement. So,
You went there.
I'm famous for going this one. And so we just picked the main ones. And there was no other way to translate that, fukichu.
Aye.
You know, otherwise you got a whole more
Yes.
on that sign. It's just like, no. How
Yeah.
would we look at someone that's done a hara?
Aye.
Nah, e koe.
E koe.
E koe.
Yeah.
E koe.
Aye, beautiful.
So that's what, is that a kaitoa, is that like ana?
Yeah, good
Koe, yeah.
job.
E koe.
Good job.
Yeah. Abuelita, when she throws the shoe to the kuri, e koe.
Yes.
E
Kina
koe.
taku hu.
E koe.
Yeah.
E
He
ngā.
rau
Right.
he rau e te karawhiu, tā abuelita karawhiu I ngā kiwaha Māori ake nei I tino rongo I te wairua o te tairāwhiti I roto I tana
Yeah,
kawe
ko
I
te
ramo
kawe.
mo kiwaha. Aha, kua te iti nui honei. E
I
rā kupui.
tētai hui māua I muri tonu mai a ko te mahi iri kōti. And I whai wā māua ki te kōrero mō koko. And she shared with me that she enjoyed it. And I te rere wana kōrero. And we talked about a whole lot of other things too. Should be cool to have on too. I
Ko e
tō
tēnei?
Moi hau.
Ah,
Tēnei.
yes. Tēnā whenua.
Yeah, but I kōrero ia mō ngā painga o te tana wheako. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, she found that refreshing and rawe.
Well, because like traditionally with Disney things, they get a young person to play an old lady or an
Yeah.
old man
Yeah.
because it's easier to manage them and it's easier, but you just can't feel that pakeke wairua.
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
You
te
know, you
wairua,
just
ana.
can't.
Yeah.
Te wairua, but it's also a privilege for our tamariki to have that level of reo.
Yeah.
You know, on there because we could have got some young people and then given them all the directions in the world to get there because so one of the things that I did when I was researching for this was listening and mocking Rob Ruha all the time. And then the other one was listening to all the archives for Tuini Ngāwai and Moi Pewhairangi. And, you know, so that you're able to give those tools. You know, you go, okay, you say that word like you're holding your top setting and then...
Yeah.
You know, and it's sort of giving them tricks of where to put your tongue, where to put your, and where that kupu comes from so that you can get the best sound. Because if you don't have that, you'll throw your audience out of the
Kia ora.
story. And so,
Yeah. E kona e tohu anō.
and kia hiki I te reo, it's pepper. You know, get it off that paper. Otherwise, we may as well just do audio books.
Yeah.
You know,
Kia ora.
so
Ka tērā.
Kia ora.
how do we, you know, te whiu o te reo, all those things.
Performance.
Performance.
We're all going to give an example of using e koe. We're going to go around quick fire. So I'll give you a little bit to think. Okay, you've thought. I'll start.
E koe.
Okay, you're sleeping in the morning because you didn't put your alarm on. E koe.
E koe.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Mea tu ki taku tamahine koe tutungia te ahi. Mea noa te kapangi e te wera e koe.
That's a good one.
Ko mai te iro.
That's a good one. Okay. My grabbed all of my release forms from this photo shoot I done the other day and drew all over them Can I say it to myself?
Yeah.
E koe.
E koe, Erica.
Throwing it over to you, fellas.
Well, someone once told me that there was an karakau he hua ki roto i te reo and Disney reo Māori, and then 4 films later, e koe.
E koe.
Karo ana e haere ana mātou tokotoru, mātou ko praone, ko hana, ki tā wāhi a te praere. And tērā pā ka haurangi a praone, ka mahue I aia te pahi. He gets left behind, e koe. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
Ka hoki aku mahara ki taku haerenga tuatahi. No mātou I rānana.
Oh, God. Yes, which one are you going to pick up?
He taku kuhu atu ki te reuma. O tō maoko praore pāpā, o tō tātou pāpā a Timothy. I au e whakapaipai ana I ahau, e whakariterite ana I ahau anō, whakapaipai ana I aku kano he haere parepaku ahara ana I rongo au I te tehi reo. Ana, ko te reo e karanga ana I taku ingoa, me taku pohe he hoki e karanga mai ana a krawa ki ahau. Like, I was like,
That's like
really,
ruma.
is this going on? Hey.
I tōku ake rima.
Yeah, I tōku ruma. And I was like, I taku putunga I te wharepaku ka kitea I a pāpā, e noho ana I tana moenga. Kia tua kia pāpā, kei te hako I taku ruma. Ka titiro mai ia kia hau, e koe, no ke te
And heo ke au o tāna, mena he tangata ke atu au ka mau koe.
Waimari yeah.
Ka pai.
E koe ana, e koe.
Nice one. I think mau te tikanga o te kiwaha.
Ai.
I rā, tauira. E mihi ana. Okay, I want to rewind, because he nui ngā kōrero I putara I a kōrua I tērā
Ai.
wā poto.
Ai.
Nā I kōrero rā koe kōrua mo te manawa taki. And people be listening and not realising, you know, I got a bit of insight I tō kaufau hana about and matching up te manawa taki and then with te oro
Ai.
me te āhua o te waha.
Ai.
Hey, so you fellas got to find the kupu that match the shape of the
The
movement of the
animations,
mouth.
lips,
So if the
mouth.
last
Mouth.
kupu e on the one is original, if it's got o, me whai koe, me rapu rānei tētai kupu.
Ana.
I hanga ana ki tō
And, you know,
oro.
e te o ngā kupu Pākehā he ua, like, you know, come, you know,
Yeah.
or home,
Yeah.
you know, ko kati te waha and all of our vowels, you've got open mouth vowels. And so, ua, so for those ones, we kind of like try and finish the word before the...
Before it
the
closes
lips
up?
say.
Yeah,
I might
that's
put
good.
a bit of a, like, you know, in that case, you've got to translate the sort of nature of what's going on, the context, instead of...
And you've cut out a split second of your rārangi, of your reading.
It all-
If you do that,
it all counts.
You've cut yourself off if you're going to try and finish the kupu before the closing of the mouth, ne? So more challenge.
Man.
Because the rule is that you got to match the first word and the last word, and your brain forgives the middle.
Yes.
And so that's the sort of rule in reversioning. And sometimes it'd be like, you know, a little bit of a bad version of Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon.
Yeah.
You know, but you just have to sort of do your best so you don't butcher the story. You don't butcher our reo first.
Yeah.
But you also, you know, still hāngai to the story.
Yeah.
E te whakaro au ki era, because, you know, I tupu au me nā kung fu movies.
Aye.
I grew up in a video store age tātou. Every
Oh, heck,
weekend.
kaupapa know the videos.
Yeah. You know, and I'll pretty much get the same. I might get a new release, but always one of the many
Yeah, a
kung fu
5-day
movies
one
that
day.
I've already seen.
Yeah, 5-day, 1 day, yeah.
And, you know, I pene, karu mōheo he sound dub tērā.
Yeah.
I te wai, you know, you killed my
I
master.
whakapono.
Yeah.
And, you know, I te pēnei o rātou nguti. You know, pēnei.
Pune,
Pēnā tā rātou kōrero.
tō rātou whakaua. Aye.
And Sean,
Yeah.
That's Way of the Dragon. It's fun. If
Way
you
of the
know
Dragon.
Bruce Lee, that's the
Aye.
scene before he goes into the Colosseum.
But the other sort of like crucial part to it all, and ke te whakarongo mai te soundi, is the final mix. You know, being able to massage there too. That helps lift the story as well. So, you know, making sure. So if you listen to sort of like some of the Netflix things, man, they're pretty crap. Like, you know, it's like you can clearly see someone walking past and you can't hear clip, clop, clip, clop. you know, kind of thing, and all those sorts of things. Like, we have to have excellence for these kaupapa.
Where there's a
Otherwise,
movement, there's a sound, koina tā
there's
rātou.
a sound.
So, you know, all the sound tuahine, sorry to cut you off, all the sound, even if it's just like rustling and that, do you have to reversion that sound too? Or ka waiho
Nah,
era?
because our reo is quite, you know, we come from a different place when we speak. It's like we're deeper, we've got a deeper register than everybody else. So we might overtake some of that. So when we're in the mixing stage, we might say to the engineer to lift it. Lift that part there, dim it down, or move our audio a bit forward. So even to stitch things together, we use like breath to stitch things together, because you might have, you know, a mouth movement. So you've got to watch every sort of frame like a hawk. And then find things that are going to add to the story to stitch it all together.
What about,
just so you know, Erica's not even here. We just like insert her sound from other from 200 other episodes. So this is just an AI of or EI. No,
I wouldn't be surprised if that's what happened, to be honest. You know, in some scenes, there'll be like a big crowd in the background and they'll be mumbling and whatever reo it is. Do you guys have to replace that type of sound as well? Those ambient talking?
That's for a loop group.
Oh, yeah.
So a loop group is when we bring in, like, you know, just a whole range of different voices. So that you see in Frozen, there was that part in the church. And then we have to sort of match the weight of that too. So you can, okay, start clapping, cheering. And then, you know, when we first recorded that bit was when Elsa had her koronehan. And then, you know, you've got them going, yay. But when we put ours in that first, I thought, far out, that sounds like Pāteo Māori Club. It's yoo-hoo, like, you know, and so we had to bring it down a bit. So that was just a whole bunch, and you have a range of young people, old people, wahine tāne, just so that you can have a different, you know,
have a good
it's about
mix,
the quality of sound, mix.
And then kia whaka Māori anō, like if, like ko humu Māori ne, like, oh, pai te nei, blah, blah, you know.
Even in Kokoreo Māori, we had our man come in, Ed. We had him come in and who said, I think what's missing in some of the crowd stuff is actually not Māori cheering, it's the Spanish, it's the Mexican cheering. So, you know, they do a whole lot of whistling and stuff, which Disney missed. So you're welcome, Disney. And you know, our man, he came in and he goes, oh, we will cheer like this, and we would boo like this, those sorts of things. And a lot of their deals based around whistling and stuff. So it was adding... Actually, Kokoreo Māori's got more Spanish than the English version. So. And that's thanks to Hanamere Raiha and some of our loop group was some of those koutou babies. So
true.
And so it was awesome to be able to lean on them and say, hey, what would they say for this? And then they'll just go and, you know, and it was awesome to have our koutou, well, they're not babies anymore, but koutou babies.
Yeah, and what about te āhua ki te arahi i ngā kai waiata, ngā kai kōrero? So when you were selecting the people who would be, you know, actors, or what do you call them, I guess, tuatahi, but tuarua i pēhea tā koutou arahi i a rātou i enei mahi, because tērā te nuinga pēr he tauhou ki enei mahi. I pēhea tērā.
It's a vulnerable process, It's vulnerable. Like, you know, they're all performers. Hey, amazing tipu rātou roto i te ao haka. Nō reira, tau ki te haka. Engari, tēnei mahi, he rereke. You get into that booth and, ko koe me tōko tahi. So you get to the mic and freak out. And so it's about guiding them in that way. And sort of when we're casting, it's like performance might be a bit stiff when we're casting, but it's for me, it's like I'd rather listen to the quality of the voice and then whether they can bend their reo. Because you will hear in the auditions some of them not blending their vowels. Because in the kiriata, e rātou e kororo ana he tere rawa te rere. And if you can't blend the vowels, it just grinds your ears, So you'll get them, you'll shortlist them and then you'll give them the tips to sort of like, hey, can you blend your vowels? And we'll see how, you know, and if that second take comes back and they're still not quite understanding that means hard work for you. So you choose quality of voice and then te reo te reo. If they are directable, ka pai. If they're not, well, you're going to be voicing the whole thing yourself.
Pewhia ngā wā, he hoa koutou. Engari, I ona wā, ka puta he whakaroke ki tētahi whakamaoritanga. Ka pewhia rā tā koutou wānanga kia tau ai I runga I tētahi kupu rerenga rānei. Yeah, because that's all part of the process. And koutou e kai whakawhitire o kai whakamaori e tai kaupapa nui. That's all part of it. But I'm interested to hear, pewhia ngā kōrero wainganui a koutou, ka tuki pē ngā whakaro tētahi.
Yeah.
And yeah.
It's about timing, no, brother. It's about timing. With that, it's kind of like, oh, no, she's a bit maro on her whakaros today. So now's not the time to say, I don't get it. Or now's not the time to say, our kids are not going to get it. And you just wait for the right timing. And it's kind of like, well, and that's not just with palms, that's with everyone, because for me, it's important to look after each person's
Tēnā
life
koe. Tēnā koe.
in this process. So that's probably one of my biggest jobs is me pēhea te tiahi te ngākau o tēnā.
Kia ora.
Yeah.
And that's across the board. And so it's kind of like timing about that. And then sometimes you have to pick your battles. And then the other thing might be it's not until you record it and they hear it and you say, see, it's not quite
Yeah.
fitting.
And then they're like,
Sometimes it sorts itself out.
Sometimes it sorts itself out. You might just do a sneaky, karo, and then change it, and then they come back and then they see the finished product and they go, that's neat. Yeah, that was good. You have to sort of pick your battles and figure out where to change yourself. But also, because my thing is if you've got a mita and you've decided to use a mita, it must be driven by that iwi
True.
or that consultant, that stuff. So everything that's done is done with their knowledge. So, we're kind of like, it's about building strategies on how to cut that.
E kuku ana I taku kata e whakaro ana ki aku iwi.
It's a highly collaborative environment. And one of the things that we talk about as a rōpū when we are sitting to translate the waiata together as a team, using 4 minds as opposed to just ko koe me tō kotahi, is actually to use each other's strength because you will get the best product when you are absolutely exercising everybody's pukenga, everybody's kurahuna, to take the ego out of it. So one of the things that we always talk about is don't fall in love with your own lyrics.
Yeah.
Don't fall in love with your hook.
Don't think
that you got it, because it can change just like that. And with our waiata, they go through such a process from our original thoughts, first tārai, then they go through another tārai, and then once it gets to, even with Remember Me, that, with getting that hook right. It was actually Nanny Queenie that came into the studio and our baby, Miguel, who said, I reckon it should be this. Me pēnei ke. And I said, well, I think kei te tika tau, and then
Cool.
and then we said, changed it on the spot during rehearsals.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
And that's what we have to do. Me takatu ki era ahwatanga me kaua we don't close ourselves off from that creative input.
Cool.
Story is king.
I remember Rob actually commenting on how they were having a bit of a wānanga and were sort of stumped on how to translate snowman.
Oh, yeah. Well, see, because they, te kupu puaheiri, although it's in a waiata, one of those, I forget what year it was, it's sort of Hannah Regan was stuck on puaheiri not being an original kaitahu word. And so she gave us a million other things like huka, toka, what else was some other ones? And, but they just weren't sitting.
Yeah.
And also trying to sort of say that, Māori are very good at borrowing other iwi's kupu. And so don't be afraid of that either. If you don't have one, go find one that's somebody else's, someone who's pātata te kia koe, go and get a Ngāti word. For close whanaungas and stuff like that, but when they're at a different stage of their whakarauora reo, it's kind of hard to move.
Yeah.
Reo is not really a risk in Ngāti Pro, so they're all sweet with stealing someone else's words. Nene Moeha will tell you. Nene Moeha will tell you, that word's from Ngāpu, but we made it our own. And, so it's a sign of where you're at in your real stage.
What did you land on for Snowman or Did you translate it word for word or?
Well, hookah, I think.
Yeah, well, yeah, I think it was the hookah or something like that. Yeah.
Oh, kia ora.
Yeah. And then that one was sort of like, you know, some of the feedback we got for Frozen was from Tika Maui was that it was really hard for a lot of our taringa up in the North Island to listen to that reo, but I don't apologise for that.
Tika. Ki whakahihi Māori, ki whakahihi ngai tau, pai ana.
Yeah, and that's kind of like, you know, that'll be a taonga for kaitai forever.
Yeah, yeah.
But also, when we catch up to all the different mita of this land, then, you know, we'll start understanding it a bit more, you know. It's ringa tarika, you know, and it kind of is like rereke, but, you know, for me, it's like, oh, well, all the fair Māori are down there, you know, so it's kind of like seeing my babies, they're Pākehā looking as they come. And it's awesome to see them on screen, white, fair, Māori, speaking te reo Māori, you know. And so it's about that. And I sort of don't apologise at all for Frozen.
Well, is it rereke or is it rerenge?
Oi.
Whakarunga mai o koutou tarika.
That's a dead joke, eh?
You're going to have that one.
Yeah, well, koe me taku mi kia hana ka ūtanui
Oi.
O toka ia,
ka ū ki tāna. Engari, i nā wā, you know, kei tētahi pai māua i tēnei wā, and she had to write a piece, and I was just, I tumike au, wā tuatai i rongo au ia e whakahua ana i te reo whānui. Reo Māori whānui nei, and I tumike katoa au. Well, I was like, I can understand you tuahine. And she's like, tikane. Because we always, you know, the banter. Ko te hoa ki te hoa.
Ai.
So e mihi anau kia hana e puru nei i te tūreo te mita o kaitahu.
Yeah, and someone else that was part of their translating team was Karuna. Far out. I listened to her on their graduation kōrero and marama pai ki tana reo.
Yeah.
It's basically te reo te tai rāwhiti with a bit of a speech.
Koina.
Wow. Tāne Pōtiki.
Yeah. Ka ki rātou mōhau, tōhau.
Yes.
Mōhau. Actual, one thing I listened there was there, like, you know how we got tāhau, and they've got like their tākus and tōkus, they put a bit of a hiki in it, so it's like tohoku,
Tahaku.
so it's wicked, and mahaku.
And ko e tai atu iwi he whera.
Ai.
Te tāhaku, he
Ai.
Kaua pei te reo kōrero, engari nā mō te kei reira. And, you know, it comes down to us. Wānangano mo te manua taki, the rhythm of waiatas. Yeah.
Ai.
Yeah.
Engari, koe nei te painga o e nei kiriata e hoa. Like, this is the most amazing thing about all of the Disney films that you guys have done is ka tino whakanui koutou i ngā iwi, i ngā momo, you know, and that's something that I've really felt i au ka mātaki i koko. I left there thinking, man, I wish I was Ngāti Porou. Because I'd be so proud watching that. Engari, you know, koira te wairua ka papua ke i a tātou ka mātakitaki e nei ko te reo, ko ngā huatanga katoa, you know, like even when seeing, you're talking about the signage, and when I saw Te Urunga too, I was like, oh, having a little giggle, like all of those little subtle yet really, really big things that you guys are doing just to, you know, amplify the reo and amplify iwitanga. It's ka nui, taku mihi i te rā. Beautiful.
I kite au i te kokenga o te waiaro. O tētahi i tētahi hui a mātou i konei e ni tonu au i a hana mane kauwhau mō ngā mahi whakawhiti, whakamaori i a koko. Ei hana, ni mahara koe i tū tērā pauako Shiwasama kōhanga, and they had decided as a kōhanga reo e kore rātou e haere ki te mātakitaki i ngā kiriata Disney. So they had their reasons. Engari muri i tāna whakamārama, I tuwhera o tōna ngākau. And I kita I te whakahua nui. And she stood up and she was I pupu ana kare aro.
We're off to the movies.
Yeah. And she was going to go back and have a hui with the kōhanga. And so e taitoko ana I ngā mihi a kauranga.
Koina ngā patanga, ne?
Ana. Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose we're still in phase 2 of convincing ourselves.
Yeah.
And we're also still in the phase of convincing distributors and cinemas to play it. And they can't see why they should be playing a reo Māori film that's been reversioned. But then you see group bookings have been totally booked out. kohanga reo are thrashing it.
Yeah.
And then it's kind of going into the battle ring and saying, hey, how come there's no screenings at 6 p.m, you know, Māori work, you know.
Yeah. Māori working.
Yeah.
Tēka.
Those sorts of things, it's not just for kura and kohanga reo. Our people work and there needs to be a screening time for them. But yeah, convincing ourselves that there's a hua in it. Like the thing is, like, you can't measure the success of te reo directly after kaupapa or during a kaupapa. And there's like kids that have just been, like, that are one now that are still watching and thrashing moana reo Māori. So that's 6 years later we're seeing the success of that. You know, it's the long-term game. And not sort of, you know, so trying to convince ourselves, our people, and distributors with those sort of things, that whakaro, is kind of draining, but we just have to keep going. And if you say it in Ngāti Porou, me to keep going.
Love it.
I think with the Te Raunga Tauira, te kaiakora o te kohanga reo, her thing was not really against what we're doing at Matewa, but against Disney itself and against some of the key themes or some of the ideals that they push within their type of stories that they tell. And, you know, if we look at some of the things that have happened in the past, you know, especially with regards to cultural appropriation and things like that, Disney haven't had a good track record with Indigenous people. But with this kaupapa, I think it is helping to kind of put some of that stuff right. I mean, this is not the end game, e te whānau. This is not the end game. We're not going to be translating Disney our whole lives. This is a stepping stone into a future where we want to have full autonomy over be telling our own pūrākau.
Mana mo te
But to be able to- Mana mo te ake. Koe te whānau.
And there's still an anime market at te iwi that our kids are into, hoino.
Yes, and this is a stepping stone into that space.
Tēnā koe.
Hey.
That's also why we haven't just gone ahead and we've got access to the whole catalogue.
Kia ora.
But, you know, if it's not hāngai to our people, if it's caused harm to other cultures, then we're not going to have a bar of it.
Kia ora.
But while we've got a chance, because Disney have been kutus on our Indigenous people's backs for a long time.
Kia ora.
So it's our turn to be the kutu.
Kia ora.
Well, we choose what part we want to bite.
Nice.
Although I love the music of Aladdin and I love the music of all those other films, but we're just not going to go there.
Yeah.
We're not going to contribute.
Yeah.
to that.
Even though Praone grew up watching Dumbo and he really likes Dumbo.
Yeah. You know what? I haven't seen Pocahontas. We met this kuia no Sue, no America. And she goes, if any of you watch Pocahontas, I'll haunt yous.
Really?
Yeah, she come over from...
Yeah.
And I was like,
Nā reira.
Yeah,
Nā
well,
reira.
koe rā te tauira o te
Kia ora.
kōrero.
Ai, koia hoki, koia hoki. Yeah.
Yeah, and so, we're only going to pick stuff that matter to
Yeah,
Māori.
pai ana.
But, you know, reversioning, that's been happening among our people for ages. It's
Wow.
just that we've connected with Disney that makes it all cool.
Ana.
Yeah.
You know,
The machine. Yeah.
Swinning White, top bloody reversion of all time. Te Kōti, he was a reversioner.
Yeah.
You know, and then Ria and Rania, they just reversion their things before their time.
Yes.
You know,
Whenā,
they
yeah.
were like,
Whenā.
well,
Mali.
they
Yeah.
just
Kōrero,
didn't have a
kōrero.
Facebook, they didn't have an
Ana.
Instagram, so those, you know, and then Te Wakahuia doing that, and
Koloma
it's
playlist.
kind of like
Yep.
all of it. Those are the true revisionists, it's just that we have other tools to make it look more attractive. And so I want to me to all those people that
E
are
nā koe.
revisioning things, you know,
Yeah.
revisioning te ao.
Mai rā, no.
All of it
Yeah.
contributes to te orangatanga o te reo. We're just the it of today.
Tēnā
Tomorrow
koe.
we're going to be redundant. So we have to keep thinking, hey, what's the next cool thing for our reo? What's the next cool thing? And obviously we're still in big mode. Big mode, you know, we've got a big for a cup of tea, we've got a big for milk. And so it's kind of like, this is just hopefully something that people will look at and say, oh, well, we can reversion this, we can reversion that. And, you know, song huts and all those sorts of outfits. And they're all doing reversioning our awesome anthems. Waiata anthems, and that's cool too. And then that's just a thing before we catch up and do originals, you know, and that's the same with these films. Once we start, but also we want to create a certain kaunga, you know.
Yeah.
It's actually,
Yeah.
if we look at like our live action films, it's that meta thing, if you are playing someone, for example, I'm not putting out whenua or anything like that, but if you've got tipuna like Apirana in that character must sound like Ngāti Porou, must sound like Apirana. Because when my mōpuna go to watch that or research Apirana Ngāti, they're going to say, oh, he looked like that. Oh, he sounded like that. But actually, this is a core to our industry to up the game. And we have to up the game so that our actors and our writers, our storytellers, acknowledging or paying homage to all those people and making sure that we're doing right by them. Like, you know, if you've got a tūhoi actor, then it better sound tūhoi. You know, if it's because our tamariki, it's like what Whina said, protect what our tamariki are hearing.
Tēnā koe.
And so we've got the tools now. You know, before we had, you know, it was just important to get us on screen. Well, tick. And then after that, it was important to hear te reo on screen. Tick. And now we're in a real awesome position now, and now we have to up the game.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Yep.
Apa te kēmu.
Apa te kēmu.
Up the game.
Rawe, and you know, I whakauti ke kōrua I te pātai I taku ngākau.
Ai,
I mua
ai,
I te pātai ta Ngāti ki a kōrua, nō reira, e mea he nui ngā hua I roto I rā kōrero. E whakahihiri nei I ōku ōtira, e whakapono nei ahau I ngā whakaaro o ngai taringa e whakarongo mai nei. Tō mātou waimare I a kōrua I tō kōrua tainga mai I tēnei rā, e mihi ake ana. And I would love to sit here and talk about translation and what's next.
Because I can talk all day.
Me too.
Well, we can do it again. We can
Yeah.
do this again too.
Till the
Henry.
sun goes down and
Next
comes
time,
up
make
again.
me come over there and then we'll talk all day.
Yep.
That's right.
Now, I don't want a long deliberation. Engari me whiriwhiri kōrua. Hea te waiata o te wiki.
Well, mahara mai for me, and Hannah can intro it because, you know, she's, I can't bloody string a note together to save myself at whānau. But mahara mai, it's just simple lyrics, but it's that twini ngāwai style, like, you know, simple lyrics, but strong message.
Ana.
So, paikio. All the waiata like that, even the one where he's talking to that kraua, Chicharon, before he goes over to Te Ao Wairua. I mean, and we can just, he rongo ni a, that one.
Juanita.
But we thought, you can just change it up and fun and steal it.
Yeah.
He rongo
Era wā te
ni a
katoa ka kikini nei I taku ngākau. Yeah.
You know, so, yeah, pinching. So those two waiata for me.
Kia ora.
Over to you, Hannah.
Oh, kei te moio koe ki a Juanita e praone, mai hawe e awhina.
Haere ngā kupu. Ai. Engari ka taia koe te waiata, and ka taia hoki e mātai te tāwhiri I te waiata ake o te kiriata ki te hōtaka. Engari, waiata tia tētai rerenga hei wāhinga mo te waiata o te wiki e haere ake nei. Me ngā mihi kia kōrua, e mihi
Ai,
ana kia
tēnā
kōrua.
kōrua.
Tēnā rawa te kōrua.
Mahara mai, au ka wehe atu ai. Mahara mai, kei tangi laku ai. O atu ki pamama mai tō te aroha. Ka waiata ti ato wai hei tanga manawa. Mahara mai, aha kua te toiroa. Mahara mai, I te tangi o te kita. Ngā hautai awa te ana tūtai petuki. E ai te moke.
And cut to the track.
Tai kai tohu.
yeah.
Nā te mea I te. Yeah, pai kia hau ko tītora.
E mihana kia kōrua, tēnā roa te kōrua. And yeah, love to have you back another time.
And when we come back, we'll actually answer the questions.
We got there
And Tiri, I want
eventually.
feedback for my rehearsals. I don't know.
Oh, we.
Every time your name gets brought up.
It's a bit of a whipping, but I got
I'm
you.
coachable, I'm coachable, so I might like the whipping, hoi no.
And Kanto Reo Māori is next. So, you know, everyone give it a go. It's funny because I go to hui Māori and everyone's going, I'm going to audition, and then,
E tūwhera tonu ana era? Tūwhera tonu ana ngā tono mo e kanto? Okay.
So, yeah, we have lifted our kaupapa and it's going to happen in the new year.
Kōrero
We need a reset. So,
Yeah, fair enough.
Wa, e mihi ana kia kōru o tira e hoa mā, e rawe tēnei wānanga.
Yeah.
E ngai taringa, ā rāno atu ngā hua.
Ai.
I roto i tēnei hōtaka, e mihi tonu ana kia koutou, e tautoko mai nei i tā tātou kaupapa.
Ai.
He oranga ngākau hoki te rongo tuiri, e tautoko mai ana koe a taringa. And you know, I forgot to mention that I reirau i tā tātou hui, when Moana had just come out, e ni haere mai koe ki te kaufau, we were at that was AUT, I think, i Tāmaki. And you know, pai, e hoki ngā mahara, e ka mana wātia ana
such an amateur then.
You fellas are doing big things, man. That's beautiful. That's amazing.
Big
He's
time.
influencing a generation.
Ana.
Koira, koina te mea nui.
Hey, one of the things I want to say to Te iwi Māori is don't wait till you're bloody mātanga reo before you do something cool.
Kia ora.
Yeah.
Ai, kia ora.
I'm learning.
Mahia.
I'm still on my journey and I don't think that journey will ever end.
Tātou,
Tātou,
tātou.
tātou.
Yeah.
So don't wait till you're flash like bloody brownie before you do something cool.
Like bloody brownie.
And you don't have to wait till... Yeah.
This is another tai rāwhiti kiwa. It's give it the heaps. Give it the heaps.
Give it the hint.
Give it the heaps. Te ike te
Heaps,
whānau
the
o taringa, give it the heaps. And giving the heaps of the mihi to te māngai pāo.
Ai.
E rirangi.
E te reo irirangi.
Oh, give it the heaps. Give it the heaps.
The heaves.
Because it's give it to him, mate. That's
With the heaps.
but it's give it the heaps.
Give it the
Give
heaves.
it the heaps. Yeah.
Ia. E te iwi e mihi ake ana, nohora mai rā koutou i ngā tauwhirota ngā te wāhingaro. Kia kātonu i te whakarongo, haere ki te mātakitaki.
Ai.
Ia koko, me ngā kiriata katoa, kua whakaputaina i tēnei kaupapa whakahira-hira. E mihi ake ana kia koutou. Huri huri, tēnā koutou katoa, hei ko nā mai rā.
Hei kona.
Hei kona.
Ka kite.
Bit whakarongo, bit kari-kari. Gather up close, everybody, buddy. Yeah, tahuri mai ki au, whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing at the hooker force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira-hira. Whakarongo pi kari-kari mai, hare-hare mai, o tā ringa hare-hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody, gather up close everybody. Kani move that body, kani move that body.
Taringa, he mea tuku nā te wānanga o Aotearoa, ā, nā te māngai pāho me irirangi te motu I tautoko. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe, or follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Taringa, whakarongo mai.